Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, The Equity Trader. So today is 21st of Jan and the markets are going to open in another minute. So looking at the global scenario, and Nifty is also looking to open gap down, I would say the markets are in completely panic mode, and we will most likely be looking for short side trades today. But then again, everything will depend on the price action. I will be monitoring the markets and I'll take you if I take up any trade. So guys, like you can see, it's been almost 45 minutes since the market opened. I have just taken up my first trade. This is on persistent. Again, the setup is very simple. It gave a very sharp momentum in the morning, followed by a retrace, and now it's giving support from 10 EMA on 5-minute time frame and 20 EMA on 3-minute time frame. Again, my expectation would be for it to at least cover 60 points from here. Risk reward ratio is kept simple at 1:5. The reason I have taken a long trade is because if you see, Nifty has also sharply recovered and IT index is also crossed its day high. So overall, it looks like it's going to continue and hit the target. It may even go on and achieve higher levels if the momentum continues. I'll update you whenever there's any momentum. So guys, another update, persistent, as you can see, the reversal is looking like it's failing. It's seen 1 2 3 4 back-to-back red candles. Unless this one or the next one is a proper bullish candle, chances of it hitting my target is very less. I have also placed another limit order in BAJAJFINSV. So the setup is, it formed a consolidation here and gave a nice and clean breakdown. So I have placed an order which may get executed really soon, and let's see, I'll update you if that happens. So guys, as you can see, persistent has hit my stop loss. It's down by -214. Bajaj has also Bajaj FinServ has also triggered, and currently it's almost close to cost. So guys, quick update. Right now I haven't taken any other trade. I'll quickly wanted to explain you the logic behind Bajaj FinServ. So if you look at it, there is some slight momentum that we have observed in Bajaj FinServ so far. So there are multiple reasons why I took this trade. One was that it consolidated here there was a heavy fall in the morning, and then it consolidated, followed by another breakdown of the low. Wait, let me just check what's happening with Titan. So yeah, essentially what happened was, if you see, there is a breakdown candle with a spike in volumes, and it is also coming, like, even the moving averages have caught up in both the time frames. I know it's a little far here, but I think that's fine because my stop loss is also wide. So the other reason why I took this trade, if you draw Fibonacci levels from the top of the day, and when I took this trade, this was the low. So if you see, the rejection is coming sharply from 0.382 levels, and that is another reason why I went long. If you see, it's already given me a good momentum. So hi guys, I just wanted to share a quick update with you. I was away from my system for a bit, and as you can see, Bajaj FinServ broke down, took a resistance here, again went back up to the cost and took a rejection from the 20 EMA on 5-minute time frame, went back to this area. I have trailed my stop loss to this particular region. The reason being that, if you look carefully, I'm going to switch off these moving averages now because they are kind of a noise. Now it's pure price action from here on. So now if you see, it's forming a double bottom pattern here. It's formed one bottom here, one bottom here. So now chances are that it can either go up, break this neckline is actually here if you look carefully, because that's a wick. I don't really consider a wick. So if this breaks the neckline here and goes higher than this, then there's a certain probability that it's a trend reversal. It may even go on and reach at least here before it reverses. So I'm not going to stick and play wait and watch. I have limited my risk to about 43 points, or yeah, 43 points. So that will be my loss in this on this trade. Alternatively, if it does give me a breakdown below this candle, then there's a certain probability that it will continue the trend after a period of consolidation. So right now, as you can see, 25 is the current profit, and it's mostly close to cost. We'll see. Hi guys, so quick update, not on my current trades. As you can see, this one is again hovering around cost. So until it's in this region, in this 80-100 point zone, it's not going to give much movement. It's just going to keep on doing zigzag. uh, this trade, however, is looking very interesting. Reason being, if you see, it's kind of forming like this triangle pattern. It opened gap down yesterday. First time it took rejection, second time it took rejection. It's testing it for the third time. First time it took support here, second time it took support here, third time it did not even come till the bottom. So this is going to be interesting. The only catch here is going to be that because the whole market is in an overall downtrend and Nifty is also pretty much range bound. Hey guys, so as you can see, ICICIGI has given that breakout. Again, the volumes are still not very convincing, but I'm going to see if it does give me a retest. Right now I'm waiting for this candle to close on a good high, and I'll kind of confirm my logic. So I'll update you. I may put a limit order very soon, so I'll update you whenever I do that. So regarding this trade, if you look carefully, the liquidity in this stock is extremely low. It has given me a very little momentum, and it also faced another hurdle here because a heavy sell-off started here. So, and if you can see that volume, like despite it being in the gap zone, there has been literally zero momentum with volume. So what I'm going to do here is, if it does run in my direction, I'm going to trail my stop loss very aggressively on this trade. I'm going to probably put it here as soon as it crosses this hurdle, to reduce my risk to about, okay, I think it may have executed the whole order. See, it's still just 12 quantities. Imagine I'm not dealing with big quantities as of now. So yeah, I think now it has completely executed the order at last. So I'm going to quickly place my stop loss at 1384.40. And also my target at 1412. As you can see, I have a higher risk reward ratio. The reason behind this target is, I know it's like trading against the trend, but if you look carefully, yesterday this was the last area where so yesterday's low, so I can keep it slightly lower at around 1410. So yeah, I think 1410 should be a good target. As you can see, it is already running into losses. I'm going to update you if it triggers either my stop loss or my target. So guys, as you can see, this one is forming a bearish engulfing candle. In case it does give me a proper red candle like it is forming right now and gives me a close below this, I am going to manually exit the trade because it will become a case of failed breakout. So I'm not going to trail my stop loss, I'm just going to manually exit my. So guys, like I said last time, 13 seconds before this candle close, and it's giving a proper bearish engulfing pattern so far. So if it does stay below this zone, I am going to manually take an exit on this trade. So guys, I've manually exited my order. The reason for that was, under all circumstances, a full bearish engulfing candle here. Hi guys, so quick update. As you can see, finally this particular support is broken. I have trailed my stop loss to slightly close to cost because it's almost 2 p.m. and I don't want to, if it reverses, there won't be enough time for it to drop back again. So I don't want to take that risk. If it has to reverse, I would want to exit this trade. I'm already in a little bit of, I'm already in loss today, so I don't want to have another losing trade. So I'll update you if it does carry on with the momentum. I will be constantly trailing my stop loss very aggressively. I just want to book profits, however much there is to capture now. I'm hoping because it's 2 p.m. so there should be a faster momentum. So guys, like you can see, there has been a rapid fall. I have trailed my stop loss to this level, and this is for my next planned stop loss. Once I get a closing on this 15-minute candle, I'm going to trail it even further. So guys, this is how it looks at the moment. It is very close to hitting my target. I am having to use the charts here because my trading view is glitching. It is stuck here, it's not updating. It shows 16382. Real time price is 16350. So my stop loss is still somewhere around 16432, I guess. Orders 16436. Okay, close. Hi guys, welcome back. And as you can see, trading view has finally started to work fine, and I have booked the profits here, and it is, I was using this chart to manage my position, but yeah, this is what you can see. BAJAJFINSV plus 300. Profits are locked. It fell down approximately another, I think, close to 100 points, 80 points from my target, but no regrets. I think it was a good trade all in all. Hi guys, so I have put together all the statistics for this week. So in this week I took about 16 trades, out of which only 4 trades went on to give me the win, which is just 12 to 25%. One trade was partial target, uh, or no win no loss trade, and 11 trades hit my SL, so that's just an accuracy of 25%. So I lost 283 rupees this week with this is again excluding brokerages. Right now I don't want to get into my absolute PNL because this is not for me to earn right now. This is just for learning, so I'm focusing on the absolute numbers for right now. We can add brokerages later when I have to withdraw this money out. Apart from that, this is my PNL for January 17th to 21st, since I have started my YouTube channel. And guys, so if you did like my video and if you did like what I have shared this week, please do subscribe to my channel, and please do like this video